Are your dark circles making you look tired when you are not? No matter how much concealer you use, but they still show. Today I will explain you why you have a heavy dark circles and exactly how to reduce them step by step. Dark circles are not only because of lack of sleep, there are different types. Treatments depends on the causes. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Beauty Hub Knowledge with me. Yes guys, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डार्क सर्कल्स के बारे में। इसको रिड्यूस कैसे किया जा सकता है, इसके कॉजेस क्या हैं, व्हाई, व्हाट कॉजेस हैवी डार्क सर्कल्स, लैक ऑफ स्लीप, जेनेटिक, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, iron deficiency, excess sun, excess screen timing, dehydration, and lack of sleep. Poor sleep increases cholesterol and skin becomes dull, blood vessels becomes visible, genetic. If parents have dark circles, chances are higher. Thin under eye skin, hyperpigmentation, excess melanin, more common in Indian skin tone, sun damage, UV rays, increase pigmentation, iron deficiency. Pale skin makes veins visible, dehydration, and excess screen time. Friends, types of dark circles: brown pigmentation, blue, purple, blood vessels visible, hollow, hollows are type of like under eye tear, trough, and puffy plus dark. Fluid reflection. Treatments depend on types. If you have treat pigmentation like puffiness, results won't come. And step by step treatment plan. Friends, fix sleep, diet, skin care routine, must have night skin care routine, morning skin care routine, home remedies. First of all, uh, fix sleep. 7 to 8 hours minimum, and sleep before 11 p.m. always. Or avoid phone before bed. Diet: iron rich food like spinach, beetroot, and vitamin C, more absorption. Drink 2 to 3 liter water. Morning gentle cleanser, vitamin C serum, sunscreen very important. Night cleanser, retinol 2 to 3 times a week. Eye cream with caffeine. Ingredient to mention: vitamin C, retinol, caffeine, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Home remedies: cold spoon therapy, aloe vera gel, cucumber, and almond oil. Home remedies help mild cases only. Severe dark circles need skincare plus lifestyle changes. Medical treatment: chemical peel, under eye filter, laser, PRP therapy. Always consult a certified doctor, dermatologist. What not to do? क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? Don't rub eyes. Don't skip sunscreen. Don't skip result in 3 days. Don't use harsh bleaching creams. जो भी आप यूज करते हैं, हार्श नहीं करना चाहिए. Dark circles didn't appear in one week. They So they won't disappear in 1 week. Be consistent. Dark circles can make you look tired and older than your age. This is in this detailed video. I explain the real causes of heavy dark circles and the best treatment, including skincare, diet, home remedies, and medical option. So this is my ये मेरी वीडियो है dark circles पर. So like, share, and comment to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, guys.